Welcome to Nutrient Workflow. This video will walk you through the basics of using the platform. Nutrient Workflow is a tool that helps manage processes and tasks across your company. While each department may use Nutrient Workflow to manage different workflows, the core tools remain consistent. You'll be able to make requests, track their status, and manage tasks that are assigned to you, depending on your role in the process. Let's start with how to make a request. There are three primary ways to access a new request: browsing for one, searching for one, or using a dashboard link. The most common method is clicking Start a Request under the left Actions navigation menu. From there, you'll see a list of categories. Expand the one you need by clicking on the arrow beside it to view the different request types. You can also use the search bar at the top to search by name. Once you find the request you want, click the play button next to it to start the request. Depending on how your administrator has it set up, you may be asked to fill out one or more forms to complete your request. Another way to launch a request is through the dashboard. If your administrator has created one for you, it will appear when you log in. This dashboard may contain buttons or links that will let you start the process directly with no need to browse. Just click on the button to launch the request. After completing your request forms, you'll arrive at a request details screen. This shows you a summary of the request, if you have any open tasks, completed forms, and the full history of any actions taken so far. If enabled, you may also view the flow of the entire process and the current step. You can review this information anytime by clicking on View My Request under the Actions menu and navigating to the request you would like to review. If your administrator has allowed it, you may cancel a request using the Cancel Request button at the top of the request detail screen. You can also copy an existing request if it's enabled using the Copy Request feature. After renaming it, you will be taken to the request form pre-filled with your earlier information, which you can edit before submitting again. Now let's take a look at tasks. Tasks are assigned to you as a part of a process, either one you initiated or one you are participating in. You can think of this as your to-do list. This means that a task is waiting on your action. This is under the View My Tasks menu. This will show all tasks currently assigned to you. To open a task, click on the icon on the left-hand side of the entry to view the task. You will then see what is required. This might be providing additional information, completing a form, or offering an approval. Once you've completed your task, click Submit and the item will be removed from your View My Tasks. If you'll be out of the office or otherwise unavailable, you can delegate your task to someone else. To do this, go to your My Account in the upper right-hand navigation and click on Delegate My Tasks. Here, you can select the user that you'd like to delegate to, set the time frame for the delegation, and if needed, you can limit delegation to specific processes. Otherwise, it will apply to all processes you are involved in. Next, if your administrator has granted you permission, you may also see View My Reports. This section provides reporting tools that are created by your administrators, and what you see here will depend on your role and what permissions have been set up for you to view reports. That covers the core tools available to you in Nutrient Workflow: Start a Request, View My Request, View My Tasks, Dashboards, and if enabled, View My Reports. If you have any questions or need help getting started, please contact your Nutrient Workflow administrator.